Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Today we will tell you important news about Cardano cryptocurrency. Cardano price analysis. ADA United States dollar bearish for the next 24 hours. The resistance is present at 90 cents. Support for ADA is present at the $0.823 level. Cardano's price trend curve is downwards overall. Bullish activities have been observed occasionally, but the main trend remains in favor of bears. The price, nevertheless, plummeted dramatically in the last 24 hours, as well as the coin being rejected for a second time at $0.869. The coin's value has fallen to $0.823 at writing. The Cardano price analysis is bearish overall, with the resistance at 90 cents, and the support at $0.823. The price trend curve is downwards, with bullish activities observed on occasion, but the main trend remains in favor of bears. The coin's value has fallen to $0.823 at writing. If you're invested in Cardano, it's essential to keep an eye on the price, and be prepared for a potential drop in value. The good news is that the ADA coin has strong support at the $0.823 level, so you won't lose all your money if the price falls further. However, it's still important to stay updated with the latest news and price movements to make the most informed decisions about your investment. The Cardano price has dropped by more than 5% in the last 4 hours, which is a clear indication of an impending decline. Over the past several days, Cardano's market capitalization has decreased from $15 billion to roughly $10 billion. The Cardano price analysis concluded that there would be a drop as the value had fallen considerably during the Asian trading session. The Bollinger Bands, which are used to measure the volatility of a security, had tightened since the start of last week. The bands were indicative of a compressed market and low trading volumes. This is also confirmed by the Chicken Money Flow indicator, which is in the negative territory. The CMF measures money flowing in and out of a security, and is usually taken together. The indicators suggest a bearish market in the short term. The Cardano price is currently being traded at $0.841 and has been down by more than 5% in the last 4 hours. The resistance is present at $0. Consequently, the price is likely to continue dropping in value and might even fall below the $0.823 mark, which would be a significant plunge. The primary support is at the $0.823 level, but it's still important to keep an eye on the latest news and price movements to make the most informed decisions. The Chicken Money Flow indicator is in the negative territory, and the Bollinger Bands had tightened since the start of last week, indicative of a compressed market, and was launched back in January, after it launched through an under-the-radar offering. The platform, USD has seen its total value locked since grow to $12.5 million. Ahead of it comes Meld, with over $68 million in TVL. Leading Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is SunDeSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, a quantitative cryptocurrency trading firm and liquidity provider founded by FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, and Double P Group. Behind it is MinSwap, a decentralized exchange that saw its total value lock jump 400% in a week after it launched, and now has $94 million locked on it. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. As reported, the number of addresses holding ADA for the long term has grown by 32.1% last month to 408,000, after growing by 10.9% in January and 5. 78% in December, suggesting hodlers keep on accumulating the cryptocurrency. According to CryptoCompare's latest asset report, the number of addresses holding ADA grew 5.9% to a new all-time high in February, largely thanks to a rise in long-term holders, and a 13.4% rise in cruisers, which went up to 3.62 million addresses. The number of traders on the network dropped 25.2% to 770,000. So next news. Amid underwhelming Cardano price, Hoskinson predicts huge TVL boost as Trezor Suite adds support for $ADA. In a recent tweet, Hoskinson, while acknowledging the expeditiously expanding Cardano ecosystem, stated that the network is poised to see even more projects launched this year. Specifically, the influx will peak after the blockchain's planned upgrade in June, the Vassal hard fork. Hoskinson was responding to a tweet that highlighted the 500 projects currently building on Cardano. The post noted that the majority, 34.7%, of current projects preparing to launch were NFT projects. The Vassal hard fork, named after the now late Cardano ambassador Vasyl Dabov, will usher in scaling enhancements for DeFi, DEXs, and smart contracts. The hard fork will be the second of 3 planned upgrades this year. The first has already taken place through a code drop, and the final schedule is for October. Cardano's development arm, Input-Output Global, IOG, which Hoskinson is the CEO of, promises to utilize 2022 to scale and optimize the blockchain. Awaited scaling upgrades include pipelining, Nucleus SIPs, UXO on-disk storage, and Hydra. When will the price of ADA follow development? Will the envisaged upgrades tarry? The Cardano blockchain has in the meantime recorded some milestones. That's today, Trezor. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a lost situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average